Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we'll be building a sleek and functional multi-select dropdown using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a component like the one you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a container for our dropdown. We'll use a div with the Tailwind class's relative, M4 for margin, and W full to make it full width. Inside, we'll add another div for the dropdown itself, using BG white, border, rounded, and shadow to give it a nice appearance. Next, let's add a button inside our dropdown div. This button will act as the dropdown toggle. We'll use PY2 and PX4 for padding, text gray 700 for text color, and hover, BG gray 100 for a hover effect. The focus outline none class removes the default outline when focused. Now let's add a list to hold our dropdown options. We'll use an unordered list with the classes absolute, BG white, border, rounded, and shadow. We'll also add mount 1 for a small top margin and hidden to keep it invisible until the dropdown is activated. Let's add our first option inside the list. We'll use a list item with PY2 and PX4 for padding, text gray 700 for text color, and hover, BG gray 100 for a hover effect. This will be our first selectable option. We'll add a second option to our dropdown list. Simply duplicate the previous list item and change the text to option 2. This demonstrates how easy it is to add more options. Let's add a third option to complete our dropdown list. Again, duplicate the list item and update the text to option 3. To make our dropdown functional, we'll add a simple script. First, select the button and list elements. Then, add an event listener to the button that toggles the hidden class on the list when clicked. This will show and hide the dropdown options. Congratulations! You've successfully built a multi-select dropdown using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to structure the dropdown, style it with Tailwind classes, and ensure it looks great. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more cool Tailwind tutorials. See you next time!